Hare Krishna. So yesterday Krishna has given in 2 shlokas how a living entity falls down from spiritual consciousness. So Krishna says that unless we give up contemplation, it is not possible to restrict the fall down of a jiva. But is contemplation always easy to restrict? No, this is where we really struggle. We can't help but to contemplate. So Krishna says a leeway can be devised. What is it? We have to understand scientifically what is happening inside. So he says in text 64 today, Ragadvesha vimuktaistu vishayan indriyaishcharan atmavashyair vidheyatma prasadam adhigacchati. He says, but a person free from all attachment and aversions and able to control his senses through regulative principles of freedom can obtain the complete mercy of the Lord. So, yesterday we have seen Krishna described, senses should always be engaged only in his service. Otherwise, wrong contemplation will cause a fall down. But this is not possible. So, just like previously, in the karma principle, Krishna had said, give all your karma to me, do all your karmas to me. And immediately Krishna gives a leeway. If you cannot give your all karmas to me, at least give up the fruits of those results. आप सारे कर्म मेरे लिए नहीं कर सकते, कम से कम उसके फलों को तो मेरे लिए त्याग दो. That is leeway. Similarly, if you cannot do every sensual activity for Krishna, there is a leeway. What is that leeway? Raga dvesha vimuktah. Raga means attachment, dvesha means aversion. So, because of mental activities, we go through raga and dvesha in this world towards the same activity. Vimuktah and vishayan indriyai charan. See, charan means to be engaged in worldly matters. Asan means to be free from worldly engagements or bodily movements. That is why any seat that we give for a person to sit is called asan. Asan means that seat which helps a person to become asan. Asan means stopping bodily movements. So asan means stopping bodily movements. So asan helps me to sit down at one place and stop bodily movements. Opposite to that is charan. आपने गैयों को चरते हैं देखा है, भैंसों को चरते देखा है, वो इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं, हर जगह अपना मुंह मारते हैं. विषयान इंद्रियई charan. Even if indriyas are somehow going everywhere, इंद्रियां मुंह मार रहे हैं, हम कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं लेकिन इंद्रियां मुंह मार रहे हैं, कम से कम क्या करो? राग द्वेष विमुक्तः. Indriyas, when we go through sense objects, it will always give either attachment or detachment. इन दोनों से दूर रहो. Just because something is palatable, I like it. No. Just because something is unpalatable, I don't like it. No. Just because something satisfies me, I do it overtly. No. Just because I don't like something, I don't do it at all. No. So, Atma Vashya Vidheya Atma. Atma here refers to soul. Vidhi Atma, the second Atma here refers to mind. So, Atma Vashya, under the subjugation of the self, when mind is curtailed, Vidheya Atma, Vidhi means regulations. So how can we restrict senses? Through regulations. The senses want to go everywhere. जैसे एक बच्चा, छोटा बच्चा रेंगता हुआ हर जगह जाना चाहता है, लेकिन क्या माँ पिताजी ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं उसे? नहीं, घर में हर जगह बैरिकेड्स लगाए रखते हैं। क्यों? अरे कहां जाएगा पता नहीं, क्या कर डालेगा उसका। सो बच्चे को पता नहीं है वो कहां जा रहा है, लेकिन माँ पिताजी को पता है। सो आत्मवश्य विधेय आत्मा, बच्चे को पता नहीं है। बच्चा तो जाते जाते गैलरी में से, ग्रिल्स के बीच में से जाएगा, वो गिर भी जाएगा, उसे फिर भी पता नहीं चलेगा। लेकिन वही बच्चा जब माँ पिताजी के कंट्रोल में है, बिकॉज ऑफ बैरिकेडिंग, ही इज सेफ। सिमिलरली senses might be engaged, vishayan indriyaishcharan, but when they are regulated with principles, then prasadam adhigacchati, then a person actually attains mercy. So regulation is utmost, उसके लिए कोई लीवे नहीं है। अगर मुंह मार ही रहे हैं हर जगह पे तो उसको रेगुलेट करो। So regulative principles of freedom, yeah. So regulation, so we see no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, and no sex outside marriage. 4 simple principles of freedom. ये चीजें, yes, meat eating, gambling, intoxication, and illicit sex. These 4 principles are the principles of sin. इन 4 चीजों के ऊपर पाप का महल खड़ा है, और मन तो यही 4 चीजें करना चाहता है। लेकिन हम जब अपने मन को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं, आत्मवश्यैर विधेय आत्मा प्रसादम अधिगच्छति, दैट इज व्हेन वी एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस हैप्पीनेस। यस, सो गिविंग पॉजिटिव एंगेजमेंट्स automatically restricts negative engagements, and that is why regulation is utmost important. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,